What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be POV driving my cammed C5 Corvette in the rain on Nitto NT05s. Now we're going to be doing kind of a raw POV in this car today. I don't know how much talking I'm going to do. Maybe I'll just let you guys kind of enjoy the violent shaking of the car, the noises, and the obvious GM plastic creaking while I drive and get some food. So yeah, let's get into it. Now this is the first time I've driven on Nitto NT05s in the rain or really any kind of bad weather. I have them on my C8 Corvette, but I've never really driven the C8 in the rain either. So we're gonna see how well these actually perform on some back roads while the ground's a little bit wet. It's not like drenched, but it's enough. Wrong way. Also, I'm so not used to GM's, there we go, their AC system or controls. Oh, this car sounds so good. It sounds so good. I still don't know if I want to make it any louder. This thing does still have mufflers on it. No cats, obviously, because of the long tubes. I don't know. Maybe we'll cut off the mufflers. I do like the sound though. It does sound good. I mean, we're kind of taking a little bit of a turn going 50 miles per hour, and it feels great. Now, obviously, we're gonna have to do another POV driving video whenever it's dry, because the car just got a BTR Stage 3 cam put in, and the new Nitto NT05s on the rear. We're gonna have to do some pulls, and obviously, I can't do any like wide open throttle pulls right now, or we might end up over in the ditch. So yeah, we're gonna have to make another POV video, which is fine because I love driving this car. Oh, these tires are giving me too much confidence right now. Guys, that is no throttle whatsoever. Oh, this car just wants to rev. Oh, that sounds good. Now we gotta be careful speeding in Pale City. Cops over here are not very friendly, and they especially don't like, oh, that's a big pothole. Especially don't like me. Oh, Lord. No cop, no stop, right? The speed limits in this town also are really dumb. Look at that. Speed limit 5. Like, is that for that road? But this road, 5 miles an hour? Nope. Oh my gosh, is that a Shelby? Is that a Shelby? That's a GC500! That Vulcan tire. What the hell? What the hell? Excuse me, sir. Do I want Dairy Queen? Dude, I think I want Dairy Queen. Do I though? Do I though? Yeah, I do. Okay. A little bit of cam surge there, man. I will say this, with the BTR Stage 3 cam, this thing is not the most friendly to drive at low RPMs, like in a parking lot. Like if you're not over 1500 RPMs and giving it just a little bit of gas, like there's just no idling around. Not anymore. Is this even an entrance? It is today. Like watch, whenever we get down into low RPMs, idling through here. Actually, it's not that bad right now. Oh, there it goes. Another funny thing. My window regulator on this side shit the bed last week. I ordered another one. We'll be here tomorrow. I'll be fixing that. But look, that's as far as we got. So I'm gonna be that guy that is opening his door to order and get his food in the drive-thru. Look at this. This is also my first cammed car. Honestly, the C8's my first Chevy. This is my first LS. And then, obviously, it's also my first cammed car. So, I'm just enjoying it. This is just fun. Oh yeah, what do we want? Oh shit, I didn't even think about this.
Check out our DT app. What can we get for you today?
Can I get just a 4-piece chicken strip combo, please, with a Dr. Pepper?
What would you like for the beef sauce?
Ranch, please.
Is that all?
Yes.
10-11.
Thank you. Turn this thing back on. Also, check it out, guys. We're gonna be using my blue Corvette card. I really need to get a custom card for this car because this is the one for my blue C8. I need to get a C5. I need to get one with like the C5 either logo or just a picture of this car on there. That'd be cool. I'm about to look so funny pulling way over there, getting out of the car with a camera on my head just to get my food and pay. How's it going? Thank you. Put in this useless ass cup holder. Thank you so much. Bag is secured. Hell yeah. I gotta learn how to drive, man. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully that doesn't lock on me. A little bit of POV driving this car in the rain. Like I was saying, this thing just got some fresh Nitto tires on it. Let's see. Oh yeah. And it sounds so good. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.